Okay, everybody, I'm doing this review on Computer Upgrade King. Avoid these people. They're scam artists. It's a bait and switch. I'm not sure why Amazon is allowing these people to even stay on, but I ordered, as you can see, April 13th. We ordered this computer laptop. All right, it's actually this particular one, 32 gig. But even in its their advertising here, they're showing that there's a hard drive that is actually that you can get with this thing, plus of your memory and your terabytes and stuff like that. But beware, run, because they're advertising that there's a hard drive with this. There is not. When I received the when I received the computer, I checked all this, looked at everything, made sure everything is right. The memory was correct, the SSD was correct, but there was no hard drive in there. I reached out to them, um, and sent them an email. Hey, what's the problem? There's no hard drive in there. And they're like, well, it was a mistake. It shouldn't have been advertised. But even this, all right, we're looking at, let's see, here's the date and time. It is current date and time. As you can see, it is May 10th. All right, May 10th, and they're still so. And uh, I purchased this just a little shy of a month, and they're still advertising it. So they're still falsely advertising this out there, that you get, for this price, you're getting the hard drive, everything. Beware, you are not getting that, because it's all false. It's the old classic bait and switch where they show you one thing and then send you something completely different. Do not buy from these computer upgrade. We reached out, hey, can you send us the hard drive? Should have been sent. They have not sent out the hard drive. We even said, well, what about compensation for a hard drive to be placed in, and then we'd have to have somebody put it in. Nothing from these people. Poor customer service, like I said, and beware for those people. Do not buy from Computer Upgrade King. What they're advertising and what you get are two completely different things. Beware. Do not buy from Computer Upgrade King.